question, dipole moment of which of the ketone is maximum? 4 ketones are given. This is very easy question, but before going to the details, I think you should have a basic idea about the dipole moment in ketone, how it produces. If you look at this pi bond, C double bond, oh, this bond breaks this way, and what it produces, the negative charge on oxygen, positive charge on carbon. So this can create a dipole moment. Concept is that dipole moment is a vector quantity, direction is from positive towards negative. Or you may say, sir, because of electronegativity difference between oxygen and carbon, this carbon atom carrying a delta plus charge, means slight deficiency of electron, and oxygen is carrying slight excess of electron, which is represented by delta minus charge. And so dipole moment direction will be this, and this positive charge side there will be this cut. So this is the basic idea. Now if you look at these molecules, so obviously in this C double bond, the bonds will be broken accordingly for this 4 option. Now in this way it will produce a cationic and oxygen anionic part, so you can see them here. Now question, if you want to get the right answer, means in which case the dipole moment is maximum, then you need to understand in which case this charge separation is maximum stable. Now if you look at, all are plus minus charge separation. Remember, organic molecule prefer to stay in neutral state rather than charge separated form. However, if the charge separated form have some unique stabilization, then this happens very smoothly. For example, if you look at here, there is no special kind of separation. Even here, nothing. Even here, okay, you may say, sir, there is a double bond, it can come in conjugation. Okay, that I agree, that's possible. I mean it can come here, so I can draw another canonical form. There is a methyl, this is O minus, and the positive charge goes there. Possible, by the way. But in case of this, here also canonical form possible. You can say that, okay sir, positive charge will go there, means this is here double bond O minus. By the way, more canonical form possible. Now if you look at this part, it is very unique molecule, students, cyclopropenium cation. And by the way, remember, this is aromatic. Aromatic means stable. What I want to say, that aromaticity is a very high stabilization energy, and due to this very high resonance stabilization, cyclopropenium cation is very stable. So charge separation is more here, and this is aromatic because of Huckel rule, means 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, where the n value is equal to 0. By the way, I've already discussed a dedicated lecture on this. You may visit for further learning. Dipole moment is maximum in which compound? Obviously here, because the charge separated form has a stability, I mean aromaticity. So this is the overall discussion. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.